Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge. Get started in social media. I'm Amy Stack and today is day 26 of our challenge, Find and Follow People on Instagram. In this challenge, you'll start to grow your following, see who you are following, who follows you, and learn how to search for specific users. Before we do that, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for business, go ahead and start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. You might be wondering why you should follow others on Instagram. You want them to follow you, so why should you follow them? But frequently, when you follow somebody, they will actually follow you back. So it's a great way to let people know you're out there and it's not 100% sure that they will follow you back, but it is a good, easy way to get them to see you and hit that follow button back to your account. So followers on Instagram are the users that follow you. These followers can see your posts on both your profile and their feed. And then following refers to the list of users that you follow on Instagram. So these users' posts appear in your feed, and then you'll have access to view their profile if you want. So people that follow you can see your stuff, and people that you follow, you can see their accounts and all of their content. Growth is always a good indicator of a successful, thriving account. And once you have 1,000 followers, a lot of monetization opens up for you. So all in all, as long as you are seeing that great engagement and creating quality content, you're on the right track to making some money on and with Instagram. So that's why you want to get those followers. So let's check it out a little bit. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And go to your profile, which I'm already on. Remember, you can toggle between different accounts if you need to. Go to the 3 bars in the top right. Go ahead and tap that. And then you're going to look for the option that says Discover People. It's at the bottom of the list. Then next to Connect Contacts, you can tap the word Connect in the top right. And then you can choose Allow Access. So you can see here, find people to follow. To help people connect on Instagram, you can choose to have your contacts periodically synced and stored on our servers. You pick which contacts to follow, disconnect anytime, or stop syncing. So this is meaning that Instagram is going to access the contacts on your phone, and it will suggest to you as you are updating to go ahead and follow people that are in your device. I don't need to do that, so I'm going to hit Not Now, but you would just hit Allow Access and then follow those prompts. Okay, so that's how you can find people that you're already connected with personally and bring them into your Instagram world. So I'm just going to tap the back button in the top left. And if you want to quickly see who you're following and who follows you, you can view on your profile here and tap Followers or Following at the top of the page. So you can see this page has 64 followers and is following 40 people. So if you actually want to see who those are, you can tap on those numbers. So these are all the people that the Social Stack is following. I'm sorry. Yes, I said that wrong. The 64 is people that are following the Social Stack. And then the 40 is who the Social Stack is following. So this is who we are watching their accounts. So you can just tap between the two on the top, or you can go back to your main profile page and you can tap on where it says 64 followers. So who's following me? Click 64, and you can go all the way back. And who am I following? 40. And you can see who you're following. Or you can just toggle at the top of that screen there. So there's a couple of ways to see that. Let me know in the comments how many followers you currently have now that you know where to find that information. Lastly, if you are looking to follow a specific account, you can go ahead and tap that magnifying glass at the bottom of the page. And this is where I was telling you on when you were updating your profile to make it yourself a name that's easy to find. So I want you guys to go ahead and type in the search, the Social Stack, and you can see it should start to auto-populate there. And then once you see that little light bulb icon, you can tap on it, And on your screen, since I'm logged into my own profile, it's not letting me follow myself, but you should have a follow button now. So I'm going to, it should look like this right here. You can click that blue follow button on the Social Stack. And that is how you follow somebody that you are specifically looking to search for. Today, that's going to conclude our training. I'm going to go back to my homepage here, go to my profile. And remember to join me tomorrow at 7:30 for our next challenge on Instagram. We are going to show I'm going to start showing you different ways to post on Instagram. So we're going to just do a basic photo post tomorrow. I'll see you then.